Happy No Shit Friday. Happy No Shit Friday. Hey, Happy No Shit Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope everybody can hear me right. I don't know what is that. We'll do a little quick message. Everybody, I tag. I felt attracted to your name, so like, share, or ignore. Depends how you feel about it. I don't know, like that will be a little like No Shit Friday advice. So I think I will just five message. Okay, so you choose between 1 to 5, and I will pull some message. No Shit Friday message. They will be funny. Okay, I feel funny. So I hope I will be funny. I hope. Oh, shit. Message number 1. Okay. We'll go to my little card. Love is like a fart. If you gotta force it, it's probably shit. Brilliant. With that little advice there. Plus 30. LRE. So I feel like the advice number 1 is maybe you just met someone and like guys like have fun and like it's kind of some little you know, something is not like totally fluid. Keep that in mind. If it's get too hard to handle, just let it go. Just let it go. Like a fart, let it go. Message number 2. That will be quick. I hope everybody's there. Quick. I will just give a little bit here, and after that I'm going live on Orion. So moderation number 2. With a little card. Moderation. Whoops, never good. Your game, you make poor decision game is strong as fuck. Number 2 with moderation. Sounds like party to me. A little bit party. Plus 38. Lie or truth? LQO. Hummingbird, moderation, like, yeah, take it easy. Number 2, take it easy. You know yourself. Number 2. Number 3, listen, because is an acceptable answer. Damn. Plus 22. BJR. Message number 3, because is an acceptable answer. And listen. Number 4. What is it? Magnetism. The person who's scared of thief is the worst thief. Not to yourself. People who are always scared to get stolen most of the time are thief themselves. I'm just saying. And like, see, message number 4 is like you attract what you project. So if you all the time lock your shit and you all the time scared to lose and get stolen, probably you will get stolen. Obviously. IZO. And sadly, we already had the message number 5. Shift. And the little card is... I may cry, but I can still get shit done. NPE plus 44. Shift. So message number 5, I feel it's time for you to get over yourself and move on. Like you have a shift to operate in your life, and it's time to happen. You need to get that happen now. So that was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shit message shenanigan. They were short and sweet because now you can come and see me on Arnhem, where I can give you more details about it, and also on my YouTube channel. And why I prefer those? Because I have more traffic and more interaction, make things way more interesting. So I just start a little quick No Shit Friday message. I say hi to my friend Mitch, who I tag. I miss you, Mitch. And I don't know which message you choose, but either way, I hope that was great and resonate with you. For all the other one, I hope the message resonate with you too. And come see me on Arnhem, man. You got like 10,000 coin for free when you show up on the site. So, it's worth it. You're not even obligated to spend that on me, Happy No Shit Friday.